Attenzione! See you later, Italy. Hello. Woohoo! We are now at the airport to go to our flight to Milan. Currently 4 a.m. I look kind of rough, but that's okay. So the main plan or the itinerary of the flight is Barcelona to Munich and then Munich to Milan. Milano. Ciao Milano. Grazie. Grazie. Good evening. Shall I go next to you, madam? Good morning. It is currently 7:38. This is unreal. I just watched the sunrise. One of the main intentions I had in mind before coming to this trip was to really ponder on what I want to do with my life. At my age group, it's a very common feeling to be unsure and be quite vulnerable with the idea of what are we going to do long term. Maybe specifically talking about career, purpose, and the whole notion of your future. All throughout our developmental years, we're just so focused on school, finish your primary school and then directly straight to high school. And then in high school, you are asked the big question, what do you want to do with your life? Although I was very good academically, socially I was okay too, but I never really felt confident with any answers. I've always been insecure about that thought, because how can I be so confident with everything else, yet have no idea what I want to do with my life? It's a scary thought, I'd say, but it's also a very privileged thought to think about it. Having the Maslow's hierarchy of needs in mind, the ability to have physiological needs secured and your sense of safety, having a loving family and friends and intimate relationship as well, and developing my senses of self-esteem. Having the actual opportunity to self-actualize is highly, highly privileged and should not be taken so easily, in my opinion. And I think that's what makes it seem scary, because I feel as though I can't fuck it up. My parents sacrificed so much for us to have an amazing future, amazing lifestyle, and to fail at understanding what you want in this life, to not know your sense of purpose for the common good, is terrifying. At this stage, I think I do have an idea of where I want to do, what lifestyle I want to achieve throughout this existence. It's the action part that needs to be more disciplined and implemented, in my opinion. So we are now getting ready to start our day. Fit check. I've got my Kangol hat, sporty and rich scarf, my leather jacket, which is from my dad's collection. It's literally 25 years old. 8 shirts from Nude Lucy, black shirts from Nude Lucy, and a 1461 Doc Martens. Yo! Pack our shit. Same tram that we would catch tomorrow. Should we go in? So actually, I pulled up the itinerary. We are going to Castello Superesco, Duomo de Milano, then Galleria Vittorio Emanuele, Teatro alla Scala, and the Museum of the Last Supper. We are about to enter Escala. We are now going to the Galleria, and I'm actually super excited. What the freak? Look at the sunlight, how it hits it. Oh. What the hell? Bruh. Domo de Milano took over 5 centuries to be created. There are numerous holy relics that can be found in this particular Duomo, one of them being Saint Charles Borromeo's remains, along with the holy nail that was used during Jesus Christo's crucifixion. Y'all see that red light? Yeah, that's where it's kept. Bruh. Look at this train station, guys. What the fuck? How come our train station don't look like this? Our itinerary for today includes train to Venice, possibly see St. Mark's, Doja Cat's house, Dodge Palace. We're gonna do a cafe hopping. We'll see what the vibes are like. Attenzione, pickpocket, pickpocket. See you later, Italy. Hello, Venice. No, my God. It's a beautiful sunny day. So Jesus loves us. Photo booth. Photo tesara. Photo tesera. Alright, outfit check. Cap is from Mode Mischief. Bandana is from with Harpaloo. Jacket again is from Dad's collection. Hats from Uniqlo. Shoes from Doc Martens 1461 and bags from Uniqlo. Oh, top. I'll put their name here right now. I've just simply forgotten. We've decided to do the 30-minute walk rather than go to or through water taxis because there's just too many things to look at, man. At least this way we can take our time. Venice is definitely a different vibe. So here in Venice, the underwear has many utilizations. One is to protect yourself and one is to protect the wheel. It's actually so quiet. I've got a song dedicated for all the Venetians. Woman chilissima. And that song period. Dude, outfit of the day is killing it. They like their cats here. It's not tomorrow, it's today. Such a different type of architecture. So prosciutto with melon. Yeah. I was like, what is this? And then margarita, and then some piece of bread. Hold on, then look at this. Getting deported back to Australia. How do you feel getting deported back to Australia? Feel great. I guess we surpassed immigration. Hey. Let's go back to the Philippines. Woohoo! So we're going to the Galleria Vittoria Emanuele II. You heard. And I'm planning to get something real special to Mason Margiela. This is technically our last full day in Milan, no? Because tomorrow we're going to Roma. Prego. This view, I could never ever forget. Jasmine is also looking for a cabin luggage that will suit her vibe. We are at Bricks.
I might just get a cabin bag instead of a watch.
Do you have a 36 that I can try on?
Yeah, I can bring it.
We got our shoes and I got perfumes for the rest of my family. I do need to finalize my gift for Alex because he only asked for a leather belt. And I've already bought him a leather belt, but I feel like it's not enough. We are now heading to Jollibee because we miss rice and chicken and spaghetti joy. But it's been a very successful day. Domo, I love you. Milan, I love you. I will definitely come back a full show. Who goes to Jollibee in Milan? Me. Guys, this smells like home. The corruption, the pollution. Grazie mille. So, hey guys, I'm a part of the Jollibee crew now. Thank you. We are now on our way to Milan. I mean to Rome, sorry guys. But we're in the business silence area, so I can't even really talk. But here's the vibe. Roma. Just changing chapters quite quickly. Private. Plan now is to go to the Fontana Trevi. We'll see. In the Instagram I sent you. It looks pretty hectic. Feel like I could be an emperor. Do you think I can be an emperor? Like truly? No, why? Bruh. I love my country, man. I will not lead you to wars. I will lead you to peace and prosperity and food. I reckon I can be an emperor. My name would be Marcon. Emperor? Bruh. I feel like I'm gonna have an out-of-body experience as soon as I see the Trevi Fountain. No way. It's crazy. Yeah, no, I'm going in the morning. Buongiorno. Time check 7:56 and we are wanting to see the Fontana Trevi. We saw it last night. We'd like to see it in the morning. Itinerary is via Get Your Guide. The booking is called the Roman Empire Tour. It is a walking guide where we are going to see the Colosseum.
Palatine Hill.
Okay.
And then Roman Forum.
We are now en route to the Colosseum. It's a 20-minute walk. Hot girl walk. Hot girl walk in Rome. Guys, hasn't even been 5 minutes, but I'm sweating my balls off. Fuck. Holy shit. Let me update you. I don't know what was the last scene you saw. Oh, probably the Colosseum. After the Colosseum, the battery died. But at least I got some of the main parts. And then after the Colosseum, I actually went home, rested, and I edited my second video. So it was a pretty chill day. Next day, which was yesterday, we went to Florence. I decided not to vlog during Florence because I just wanted to chill. I wanted to fully be immersed in the present. Coney editing right now. Insert a few clips of Florence. Wow, so amazing. That's crazy. Not the naked statues. Would YouTube delete it because they're naked statues? I don't know. I don't do it. Don't. So now, the itinerary for today is a walking tour within or around the Vatican City. Overseas Church Vatican. It consists of St. Peter's Basilica, along with the Sistine Chapel, the Vatican Museum. And I am hoping that I could see the Pope. Can you imagine if we see the Pope, y'all? I might start believing. I might start believing.
Inside the basilica is quite nice though.
Real.
Yeah, that's why I was like.
About to go through the holy door. Am I gonna start
Feeling things.
Am I gonna feel the ghost?
Bruh.